change the layout and the overall theme of your trading terminal, you can do this through the settings feature. So just click settings, and then go down to display, and then under theme, you can select a new color of the overall theme, as well as selecting a few additional features such as the clock you can disable and compact menu bar. This will remove the top trading icons here. Once you've changed your layout, you can also drag and drop windows, which can be resized. If you're using multiple screens, you can also detach the window as well by clicking on this icon. And that'll be able to bring outside of the screen. If you want to attach it, just click the icon again to attach window. You can also save your workspace by selecting default and add new, and then enter in the name of your workspace. And click enter, and it will create a whole new workspace for you. Or you can go back to the default.